Hello everyone, in this video I'll guide you the easiest way to set time and date on this SKMEI 2126 model watch. Let's get started. The very first step is you have to come in timekeeping mode like me. As you see here, hour, minute and date is mentioned. If you are in different function, press left side down mode button. This is alarm, this is stopwatch, this is dual time mode, this is another function. Press one more time. This is actual timekeeping mode. Once you come here, you have to press left side top reset button for few seconds like me. After pressing it, you can see here seconds have started blinking. To adjust it or to make it 0, press right side down button. So after this, to adjust hour and minute, press left side down button. You can see here the hour have started blinking. Also you can notice here P is mentioned. This is PM. Now press right side down button to go ahead. And if you cycle through 12, it will automatically change toward AM. You can see here nothing is mentioned. This means it is AM. After this, to adjust minute, press left side mode button. Once you press left side down mode button, the minute have started blinking. To adjust it or to go ahead, press right side down button. So this is how you can go ahead. After this, to adjust date, again use left side down mode button. You can select here year 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. After this, to adjust month and date, press left side down button. You can see here month is blinking. This is January. Press right side down button. February. So this is how you can adjust month. After adjusting these, to adjust another, press left side down button again. 27 is blinking. Press right side down button. 28, 29, 30. So this is how you can adjust everything, time and date. Now to keep it fixed, your all adjustment, press left side top reset button at the last. So whatever the time you have adjusted, it's fixed over here. Now if you want to change hour format, nothing is mentioned. It means this is 12-hour format. If you want to go towards 24-hour format, at the end after adjusting time, press right side down button. So 24-hour is mentioned. Now if you want to go back towards 12-hour format, press right side down button again. So this is how you can come back. If you find this video helpful regarding this SKMEI 2126 model watch, please like this video and subscribe my channel, and also comment below what tutorial you want next. Thank you very much for watching till the end.